So hey everybody.
Hey everybody.
What we doing?
Okay, and we said it already. Remember, because we had to start over?
Yeah, we had to start our video over. We had some little technical difficulties. Let's get back to it, but we just picked it up at where? Where do we get it from?
Well, I was at my house checking our house.
Is it like your favorite store?
Yeah. Favorite store. My favorite store is MVEX.
And then is that's your favorite store?
MVEX.
You go with your grandma?
Yeah. Oh, that store.
And
Barbie
was
dolls at that store.
$14.99.
Barbie dolls at that MVEX.
$14.99 at Walmart. I was letting them know this a cash register, but it actually helps with subtraction, addition, multiplication, and division, because it's actually a calculator and a cash register at the same time. You got your microphone to call in your spills on L1.
And you can
products that you're gonna scan and buy.
Is
that milk, chocolate milk? You got some change.
No,
should be a card somewhere in here. And this is what is this? Let's get it open and see what all we got.
We have all this.
Take these off. Let's see.
Do that screw.
Take that off. That off.
I'm screwing them.
Yep, there we go.
Dang.
Well, we got the cash register out.
What's this?
That was easy. Wait, we don't gotta be so rough, man.
Daddy, I like this piece.
Hmm?
But we need to cut off this piece.
Oh, okay, we need some. I gotta cut this tape. Let's see. We go down the sides. Make sure you do this with your parents.
Yeah, because it's a few things to cut. Right?
We're making a video right now.
Right now, my mama's in the bed.
Yeah, she's pretty sleepy.
She's chilling.
Chilling.
Like this, chilling in bed. Like she just chilling in the bed. Like chilling.
Saya.
Like chilling.
Saya. Cut the cornbread in that beef stew off. Take the cornbread out the oven.
Daddy. Oh.
Wait a second.
Daddy, look.
There we go.
Daddy. You ready?
So we got
Turn
this
it off, turn it
open.
off. You gotta cut this.
Yeah.
Cut this piece. You gotta cut the wire off.
Yeah, plastic wire. There we go. Okay, so now what is this?
Oh, it comes off.
It comes off?
Look at this.
Okay, let me snap it back on. What is it?
Oh!
What is that? You know what that is?
Yes, Cash. It's the thing that you slide. It's the thing that you slide the food to. When you're done.
Okay.
You slide the food into the
We
basket.
got $20, $5, and a Spark card.
Yeah.
We got what do we have here? A basket. This is a basket with all our items.
Y'all,
in
we
it.
just close down for a second.
Got milk, cereal, ice cream sandwiches, and what is this? Oh, pasta. We sell that type of pasta at my job.
Milk. Oh, this is milk.
And we got change. 10 cents and 20 cents. So it can be used to be very educational, I believe.
We have a card here.
Hmm?
Oh.
What's the first thing you're gonna ring up? Can you sell me? I would like this gallon of milk, and I would like these ice cream sandwiches.
And do you like this too?
No, I don't need any pasta right now.
Come back to get some cereal. Do you want some ice cream? Please.
I need ice cream.
Okay.
I need ice cream. I need milk and cereal. I'm gonna mix it all together when I get home.
Cereal. Here you go.
You gotta scan it for me.
Yeah. Turn it on.
You working good. It's a nice on and off button, I guess, to preserve the battery more. Okay, that's my cereal.
Give me the basket. What's it?
Where did my basket go?
Oh.
Okay. That's my cereal. Ring me up. You ring me up for my cereal.
Okay.
And ring me up for my milk.
Card.
Ring me up for my
Need your
milk.
card.
I need some more stuff. I need my milk. Ring me up for my milk.
This gonna be your money.
Okay.
Okay, let me put the cereal.
Okay. Oh. Thank you.
I need the quarters. Dang, the wires.
You gotta ring the rest of my items up, baby. So it actually doesn't work when you turn the power off. That's nice. I like that. Okay. And now ring up my ice cream sandwiches. Okay, how much is my total? How much is it?
Video. The total is $5.
$5? Okay. My total was $5, and I'm gonna give you 10.
I
So,
need some more dollars.
we're gonna clear this off. Wait a minute. Gonna clear this off. So I gave you $10, and my stuff was $5. So how much do I get back?
You give me like
So how much? This is how much I get back right here. How much is it?
5.
I
Like,
get
you
back
need some more.
$5. Thank you. That's my change.
I need more.
Okay.
Because it was like a lot of money because you made me do a lot of stuff.
Okay. Well, let's swipe my card and I can give you a tip because you're such a good worker. I'm gonna give you a $5 tip. So press 5. Press 5. Hit equals. And then swipe. Right here. Swipe my card right there. Watch out. Right here. Thank you so much.
Thanks for paying. Bye. I need the money.
So,
Where's the quarter then?
right here. I got all the change right here.
Thank you. I get it.
More change.
Thank you.
Okay. So, we just wanted to show you all this nice learning activity to go get from Walmart.
I
Because
need the card too, right?
it's about time for us to get ready for bed, right?
Almost.
Okay, so tell everybody good night.
Nah, y'all.
Good night. Sleep tight.
We're gonna play with our toy now.
Okay. Wave bye bye to everybody.
Bye bye.